What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today it looks like we finally got that sell from hell, whatever you want to call it. The pullback doesn't really matter. We saw coming here, possibly could get that pullback with very light volume, right? Trying to get through a breakout of a major 4808 ES on all-time high. Move all-time high. We had that nice sell. Went where? Right to the ADMA, right to 47.40. We see we had this area highlighted in here that we said if we get underneath, right, 47.90, we can easily come down and find the bottom of this balance. So really quickly, let's check what we got on the docket for tomorrow. Big morning, right? GDP. Wait, no, excuse me. Yeah, no, for tomorrow. Excuse me, you're right. We have some continuous jobless claims and GDP. Continuous jobless claims and GDP. PCE is going to be tomorrow. So big data coming out tomorrow in the pre-market now as far as data coming out, into the market open. 30 minutes in, we have U.S. leading economic indicators. KC Fed Composite Index comes out at 11 a.m. Not anything I think is going to make or break the market by any stretch of the imagination, but bigger data 1 hour before and 30 minutes in. We'll just want to pay attention there. Now on to the charts here. Let's zoom down to the 4 hour, right? We did get a big sell from hell with some pretty decent volume, right? So we got a major cool off that we needed on the RSI, which is very nice. As you can see, right down to our 47.40 area. So we're going to be watching this area for tomorrow. Big area to watch overnight. If we hold it overnight and 15 minutes into the open, more than likely be looking for the long trade to see if we can pop back up 47.91 underneath 47.40. I do think there is a nice short setup here that we can look to trade that would take us all the way down to the PAL pump from about a week ago. 4,700, that's the next area I'd be looking for the bounce down there. So looking here underneath 47.40 down to 4,700, we can take that short trade. But I do think if we hold here overnight, I will be looking at longs in the morning. So 47.40 level we're going to be trading around tomorrow. Onto the SPY chart, we can see, right, what went where, right, to our 468, right to 468 and bounce. So that's going to be the level that we're going to be watching. You can call it 467.50 here is the low. But 468, if we hold that overnight, right, more than likely look to see if we can hold that into the open. Watch for a bounce trade because we could just be building out this balance. Now underneath today's low, easily can see a short setup trade take us all the way down all the way down to about 464. That's where I'll be looking for the next bounce area. That's the JPAL FOMC pump right there, right? That's that PAL pump. So let's look to see if 468 holds. If it does, that's great. Can look for longs back up to about 470, 473. If not, break and hold underneath. Watch the short trade down to about 464. Look for the bounce at 464. Right on to the QQQ chart here, right? We could see went down to where? 403. 403 was going to be our big bounce zone, and we got it, right? We got it. Are we going to hold the bounce? I don't know. But we'll see. Tomorrow, if we hold 403 all night, look for the longs right back up to where? 406, 408. From there, if we hold underneath 403, can watch this 400 to 399 back test bounce. You guys can see that's the PAL pump right here on QQQ. I look for the bounce there. But if we do get the sell, you'll want to see a confirmed break of the 403 level, and we'll get a move back down to 400, 399, 396 under there if we get really selly. From there on to IWM, last one that we got here on the list went where? Let's just go down to the daily chart here real quick because I want you guys to see. We do have volume. We have sell volume. You cannot deny that. Great sell volume. Now, is it reversal volume? I don't know. Is it maybe just some sell, people getting some some taking some profits? I don't know. We'll have to see tomorrow. If we have to have the continuation, that's how you're going to know if this is a real pullback or if we're just balancing. We have to break under today's lows, and we need a big volume. We need a big sell volume to come in. So that'll be the tell for tomorrow. But you guys see a big gap here on this daily 196. 196 is going to be this level you're going to want to watch on IWM tomorrow. If we hold it, can look for longs back to 199, 202, 205. Okay, if we hold underneath, you can play the break of this. We can get down to 193.50 is the gap fill. I favor anything underneath 196. My next highest level bounce zone confirmation that I like is this 188 area. 188. I like the bounce between 188 to 185. You guys could see that's the power pump right there, but you guys could see there was some resistance. Now, is that going to turn support down here at 188? So initially, I'd be looking at 188. And guys, that's all I got for you. We got big jobless data and GDP in the morning, so you want to pay attention to that. And other than that, guys, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.